Humvees.
Humpers.
The Humvees.
Humvees. Look at that one.
That's cool.
That one needs a big AC on top.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
It's just, that's a fighter. Hey, look at that side. There's a motorcycle out there.
Look at this. All the Humvees. There's the needle. Look at that.
Alright, come on up.
Mom, I need to take a picture with that Humvee before we leave.
First off, welcome to Battlefield. Alright, like once out here. Feel free, you can get in any of the Humvees. Check them out. Helicopter on the left, get inside. Check it out. Tanks, bombs, World War vehicles. We ask you not to climb off for safety reasons. Other than that, basic rules dumb out there. If it's got stairs and wheels, feel free to get inside and check it out. Alright? Alright. Right there's our little photo op Humvee. Go in the back door, up in the turret, take a picture behind the 50 cal if you guys want to. It's a Chinese replica of the old German World War II bike. Feel free if you guys want to take pictures with that, alright? I'm gonna show you inside.
Dad, you know they put a machine gun on the sidecar back in the days?
Yeah, right there.
And then they roll up in the battle?
We actually are gonna do it. We're gonna restore it, put the machine gun on.
Oh, nice.
And we do all our restorations and maintenance ourselves. So you sit backwards or forward?
You sit forward, and it's the Germans roll up and they start firing. Ooh, wee. Look at this, Mom. I love my guns and coffee.
Right. So this counter on your right here will be the last counter you see when you're ready to head back. Does not have to be where I picked you up anywhere on the strip downtown in the area. Let them know, we'll get you a driver, get you out of here, okay? Just on the other side.
Callie, don't touch.
Callie.
Not touch him.
You guys are ready to shoot? You come up to that line right there, lady, find the counter, we'll take care of you with the rest of the packages, alright?
So if we want to watch, and I want to watch the sheet 7.
Dishes would be a lot on the range.
Okay.
So you talk.
Is there like a seat, like a view?
You can't,
there?
there's no view. So if you guys are hanging out, I mean the couches and stuff in here, you just gotta talk to the ladies and the ladies. I don't see the Yeah, sorry.
Alright.
You guys have fun, alright?
Wait, let's walk around real quick before we shoot. There's chest rigs. Yo, dude. Look at this, Dad.
Oh no, it's hard to
Oh, look at RPG. Rocket propelled grenade launcher. MG-34. This is what the Germans used back in World War II. 2 World War I machine guns. Britain. Yes, I am. World War I, Britain, United States used these. World War II. We got toys, grenades, bro, grenades, chest rigs.
What are these?
Toy gun, military grade wear, no guns, and 203 AUG. So let me get this done. So right here's the AUG M203 grenade, aka China Lake. This is M16, then Uzi. This is the Czechs M14 military grade. Probably seen it for Call of Duty. This is what the soldiers in Britain use, patrolling the Queen's Palace. The Trevor, if you guys know what this is from Call of Duty. The P8s, the push from the Soviets. The Mosin is a Soviet rifle. The Scars, 2 Scars, military used. Vickers is a World War II Britain and stuff. And boots. Callie, she's an exhibit. Parts. backpacks, military grade. Osama bin Laden. Yeah, I think we found Osama. Guns. Oh man. Bullets. Pistols, ranging from 911s to Glocks. Some things, what do you call them? Souvenirs, thank you. And then, just more souvenirs, hats, gloves, patches, Bobinkas, Balaclavas. Ooh my gosh. Look at that. Taking one out any day. That's dangerous. Grenades. These are real grenades. Just had all the fuse and stuff out of them. More stuff. Guns. Starbucks. I like guns. Mom, I told you Major League Gaming is a thing. This is like a Major League Gaming screen, but look what it says, Major League AK. Then shirts galore. That looks cool. I like that, Mom. Look, there's a black one too. Oh my gosh. This is heaven for me. So you guys seen most of the... There's dummies. There's a... yeah, what? Oh, that's cute. It's cool, man. Cool. Does it have plating in it? Oh, no. Alright, I'll get some range. I'll pick it back up when I'm inside the range. Alright.